Hey everyone, and welcome to Dr. Bell Health Channel. I'm Dr. Bell, and today we are going to be reviewing Ovasitol by Theralogix. This is one of our top-selling inositol supplements in our online store, and it's that for a reason. It's a supplement that's been making waves for its benefits, especially for women dealing with polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS. We'll explore its ingredients, its benefits, potential side effects, and how it stands out from the other inositol supplements. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Talk to your doctor before you take any vitamins or supplements. This is not medical advice. And if you stick around for a little bit longer, I'll share with you where you can get Ovasitol and other Theralogix products at a steep discount just for watching. I'm talking better than Amazon, better than the Theralogix website. Ovasitol is 100% pure inositol powder supplement containing myo-inositol and D-chiro-inositol in a 40-to-1 ratio, which mimics the body's natural balance. This is real important. This specific ratio is crucial because recent studies have shown that combining these two forms in this proportion is more effective than taking just one of those alone. And this unique formulation helps restore menstrual regularity, balance hormones, improve insulin sensitivity, which are key issues for women dealing with PCOS. Let's delve into the differences between the two forms of inositol. Myo-inositol primarily enhances insulin sensitivity by activating glucose transporters and facilitating glucose utilization. This is particularly beneficial for women with PCOS as it reduces insulin resistance, lowers androgen levels, and improves ovulation frequency and egg quality. On the other hand, D-chiro-inositol plays a role in glycogen synthesis and storage, modulating androgen release, which helps regulate menstrual cycles and promotes ovulation. It is especially effective in reducing hyperandrogenism, which is a common issue in PCOS that leads to symptoms like acne and excessive hair growth. Before we get to the benefits of Ovasitol and what makes it stand out from its competitors, I want to share with you where you can get it at a steep discount. Better prices than Amazon and the Theralogix website. All you have to do is go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com, and join our full script store. It doesn't cost you anything to join, and you get free shipping and free returns, and your favorite brands are there. Not just Theralogix, we've got Thorne, Pure Encapsulations, Microbiome Labs, you name it, they're there, all at a discount with free shipping and free returns. So one of the standout features of Ovasitol is that it is the first and only inositol supplement independently tested and certified by NSF International, which this is kind of big. This certification ensures that you're getting a product that is accurate and its contents pure and free from contaminants, giving you the peace of mind about its quality. The supplement industry is not really that regulated, and so if you get inositol from some no-name brand at your grocery store, at Walmart, you really have no idea what you're getting, but you know you're getting pure and quality from them. So how does Ovasitol benefit women with PCOS? It helps lower insulin and glucose levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This is particularly important because up to 70% of women with PCOS experience insulin resistance, which can lead to high insulin and blood sugar levels. And by addressing this, Ovasitol can help reduce symptoms like sugar cravings, weight gain, and irregular periods. It also promotes more regular menstrual cycles and ovulation, which can enhance fertility. In terms of side effects, Ovasitol is generally well tolerated, which is great news. But with any supplement, if you start feeling weird or having symptoms, just stop taking it. So now let's address how Ovasitol is different from other inositol supplements. The key difference lies in its formulation. Ovasitol is the only supplement that provides myo-inositol and D-chiro-inositol in the body's naturally occurring 40-to-1 ratio. This specific blend is not only more beneficial, but ensures that you're getting a product that has been rigorously tested for quality and purity. Overall, Ovasitol by Theralogix is an excellent choice for women with PCOS looking to improve their hormonal balance and reproductive health. And its unique formulation backed by scientific research and independent testing makes it a reliable option for managing PCOS symptoms. Don't forget, you can purchase Ovasitol and other Theralogix products at a steep discount through our full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Free shipping, free returns, and hundreds of brands to choose from. Thanks again for tuning into Dr. Bell Health. I'm Dr. Bell, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.